Perfect. Good day, people. Welcome to winter in Norway once again, and I want to be outside because it's better to be outside. Now, in this video I will do a comparison between this one, which is the Canon 50mm 1.4 USM lens, which is a big bulky beast with some great bokeh, but as soon as you're going to do videography and you rely a bit on the autofocus, which can be great, not always manual. Anyways, I'm not going to go too far astray, but anyways, the autofocus on this thing is loud as so we're going to change that because I now bought the 50mm 1.8 STM lens, which is just a giant leap for mankind, really. The step motor technology from Canon is absolutely ridiculous, and you will hear that just now.